The EuroGravel PLUS stabilisation grids are perfect for creating a stable gravel surface that is pleasant to walk and drive on. Because of the honeycomb structure of the grids, a very stable gravel surface can be assured. The grids are water permeable and create a rut and pit-free gravel surface. The EuroGravel PLUS is a high-quality stabilisation grid with thermally attached weed control membrane. The grids have a large surface area, making it possible to quickly lay down any surface. The grids are strong enough to be driven over by cars and are therefore perfect for use on private driveways, walking paths, and in decorative gardens. Installing the EuroGravel PLUS stabilisation grids is quick and easy. Provide a good foundation layer. It is recommended to create a levelling layer of 3 to 5 centimeters on top of the foundation, for example with sand. Level it out before laying the grids. Install the grids on the levelling layer in stretcher bond. The weed control membrane will overlay each other. Excess length can easily be cut off with a handsaw. Always keep a space of at least 2 centimeters between the grids and your garden edging. Now the pebbles or chippings can simply be spread out in the grids. Please ensure that you use the correct gravel size. Then rake the gravel well to make sure all grids are filled up completely. Ensure that there is a top layer of approximately 2 centimeters of gravel on top of the grids. The driveway is now ready for use, a stable and maintenance-free gravel surface to enjoy for years.